What is a line-of-sight radio? You may have heard the term before, but what does it mean? And why should you care? In layman's term, line of sight means that your transmitter and receiver can see each other. High-frequency radio waves travel like light does to your eye, which means there cannot be obstructions in the way, such as mountains, buildings, trees, tunnel walls, or especially as the distance between radios increases, the curvature of the Earth, which makes you wonder, how do line-of-sight radios deal with issues like these? How do we get through obstructions without changing the laws of physics? Well, consider this. Your mobile phone is a line-of-sight radio. If mobile phone providers put their cellular radios near the ground, you'd have to be standing right beside them to make your call. So instead, they build tall towers or send satellites into space, giving you that full network bar connection. In terms of increasing range, increasing power won't always help if the antenna is not high enough. Lifting the antenna even 5 feet vertically can increase your range from a few hundred feet to over a mile. In simplest terms, the higher your radio, the further away your communications horizon will be. Now, here's where it gets tricky. It is possible to go over buildings and mountains, but in practice there are logistical problems that make it difficult. A. Building towers that are high enough so your communications line is uninterrupted. And B. Obtaining licenses for high-powered radios to properly transmit the signal in one hop. To overcome this, legacy radio systems use what's known as a repeater, which is a high-power transmitter usually located on a tower that provides more flexibility by allowing the signal to be rebroadcast or hop once between transmitter and receiver. On a large scale, a repeater can help you hop over a mountain. On a much smaller scale, a repeater could help your Wi-Fi signal hop around a corner into the next room.